Good morning, friends. Nalini Swami here. I'm on the daily time frame of Nifty, and I want to analyze in a different way so that you can understand what is happening in the Nifty. See, I'll go back to the August month, August 22, August 22 to September. 1 month, it underwent through consolidation. After an uptrend, this was a swift move, and then it started coming down. It broke below the consolidation range to test this level, breakout level. That is the breakout level of 16,762. And then within a month, you can see I marked it as September and it is an October month. So within a month, it has rallied on, see, you can see on the December, 1st December, October to October, November, December. This is September, October. From October to December 1st, only October end to December 1st, it is hardly 1.5 months. So within 1.5 months, the market has expanded exorbitantly. So actually these players, these are the big players, they trapped all the buyers, they went down and they took position over here to move swiftly to the level of 18,845. After that, it was a, see, you can see from December, now already it has come to March and April. December, January, February, March, and April. So these are the people who have trapped all the buyers and bought this. They have bought these shares. Liquidity was here because it was an imbalance. If I zoom it out, it was an imbalance. You can see why it is imbalance. The market has run up. Let me zoom it. Market has run up, gapped up, and it had gone. So they came down and took the position over here exactly at the breakout point. Now, after taking the liquidity and grabbing the liquidity and after trapping all these buyers, they have gone up above these levels. They have become profitable. They became profitable. They took profit, but here in this case, they have got all the stop losses. So it is a process actually. Only if they come back to this level and mitigate, then they will be profitable. So they took a lot of time, offloaded the shares. You can see the consolidation over here, consolidation in an inverted manner over here. Now Nifty is, they have taken the position and trying to go up. And this level, 17,798 is the average level where Nifty had fallen out and it has gone. So this acts as the flip level, 17,782 to 17,000. So this is the level from where the Nifty had fallen this swing this swing has taken place from, this swing low has taken place from 17,799. Now, already Nifty had crossed almost, traveled 603 points. So probably around 600, and this is the process of the market, around 600 and for, 17,400 and, 1 minute. This is 428. If I add 41 points, it will come to 17,475 to 469. There it may halt a little bit. It will be a pause. You can see I'm placing a cursor over this level, and also there is a gap. Probably they may enter into this gap above this. Here there is lot of liquidity. After the sell-off, there is a gap, and this person, this candle has taken the liquidity over here, liquidity grab. So they will try to mitigate this level 541, and they may go up to 17,578. These are the two levels I'm anticipating. So it may face resistance exactly at 17,500 and, what is the level? 17,529 and 17,594. So there you can see Nifty facing some resistance, and this is the breakout level. What is the breakout level? 17,204 is the breakout level. How it has broken up? With a gap. That is a big money has entered into this level. Big money has come into this. So big player has entered into this level. So there are 17,200. After entering this, what can Nifty do is, suppose if it faces resistance around this area, the price action will be, it has to travel back and it has to go past this level. Then everything, the whole lot of fall from the painful correction from, it is of course, it is a painful correction because Nifty came down, went up and inducing sellers, and then it went up again, trapping all the sellers, and then it came down and it again trapping all the sellers. So here, step by step, this is a step-by-step correction. This is a compression correction, lot of liquidity over above this area. See, in this area, sorry, let me take some other tool. See, in this area, let me take this. If I mark this, let me come down. Okay. So if I mark this area, so above this area, there is lot of liquidity. Even above this area, liquidity is there. So Nifty can travel. These people can travel. You will be amazed to see after this initial hiccup, after coming over here and making a higher low at this level, around 17,261, making the people free. See, the fall from 500 to 261, around 300 points, and the people will panic and they will start telling this. okay, market is again undergoing correction, but making them, and it can move swiftly. So there is no hindrance actually. You may find within months, Nifty can move very swiftly. Of course, it will take time. So it has to consolidate the whole lot of February month. Whole lot of April month, April and May, probably Nifty may try to move to the upside. See, this is a compression. This type of correction is compression. This type of movement is the swift movement. It's a imbalance movement. It is an imbalance correction. Imbalance momentous move has been corrected in a stepwise manner. And once these are all, there are stepwise stop losses are there. So once they start grabbing all those stop losses, it becomes an easy for the big player to move through. So they have come and mitigated this level. Around this level, they have taken, it was a painful correction from March 15th to end of March. 1 month they have undergone, the Nifty has undergone through, then it has come out of the range. And I believe this market is going to turn around after in the mid of April to May to June. After that, you can see the Nifty moving swiftly towards the upside. So you will wonder actually. So at present, the picture is it is sell and rise. Everybody will come and talk about the sell and rise, but the preparation is here. This area is the preparation area. They have taken the liquidity over here. They have come back and took the liquidity. Again, they have mitigated this liquidity, and then they are trying to see, they have engaged all the sellers, induced all the buyers and sellers, and they made people to keep stop loss. When there is easy money is flowing over here, stop loss, so it becomes easy for the big institutions or the big money to grab that liquidity and exchange with all those stop losses, and it will start moving higher. Only the real, once it's these up to this area, I think up to this area, it becomes an stop loss hunting area. 18,810 stop loss grabbing area. After moving up to 17,810 here, around this area, Nifty may start correcting. You may start seeing a swift correction in that, so that paniking all the people. So this is the process which happens on and on. When there is an imbalance, there will be a correction. So you can see this was an imbalance. So market went up and it came and mitigated over here. So imbalance has been rectified, and this imbalance has been rectified by the gradual and painful correction. And this correction is like in a fashion of compression. That is purposely it has been done. It has been engaged buyers and sellers thoroughly, so that all the stop losses are there, and it becomes easy for the big money to move forward. So they have consolidated over exactly in this area. They mitigated this area and they have come out of this range. Once they start moving above this range, probably you can see Nifty even making a double top at this level, 17,813. But in between in this month, here 17,575 to 17,469 forms a minor hiccup, and it may try to retrace back, and then it may start moving higher. So this is the thing, anticipation, what I'm saying. And if you go the total large picture, the Nifty has consolidated from October 21st to November 22nd. This was from the consolidation from the fall to July, and then it moving up to this area. This was a consolidation, and then it was a retest of this level, and now it is trying to move higher. Suppose if it starts moving higher, see, when it starts crossing above this level, the Nifty has got a very big chance of a momentous up move like this, like an imbalanced momentous up move you can see in the coming years. Coming year, probably in the next year, 23, or beginning of the next year, ending of this year and to the beginning of the next year, Nifty can make it climb to a new high of 20,000 to 21,000. That's what I'm expecting. This is a huge consolidation after a huge up move. This is a huge up move. This is a breakout of this level. While going up, you can see little bit of consolidations in between, and it has consolidated. If I draw the levels, you can see the flip levels where these levels are acting as a support. This is a flip levels and support level. This is a support level, and this is a support level, and now it is after a huge consolidation. Let me reset the chart, and I measured these moves, actually 538 points, 641 points, and now almost Nifty is equal. It has retraced almost 603 points corresponding to this swing. This swing corresponding to this swing. It is almost you can compare this movement to this swing, which comes to around 17th. So I don't think you need to be, this is the time you need to build your portfolio. So in this painful compression type of correction, many fundamentally good stocks have corrected significantly, very significantly. So probably in auto sector, some other sectors, you can go long in those sectors which will lead in the market. So the Nifty may try to move up with those sectors, and finally the lagging sector of IT can, after the completion of the correction, it is still under correction. It has to complete its correction. It has not completed. It will join the party. Okay, friends. Thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.